proceeding to the second part known as the power series.
Sir, when will the test be?
Huh. The matter is already sent.
Sir, when will be the test now?
I do not take any test. Another teacher will take the test.
Yes, sir, when it on what
Sir,
day?
when will the test be conducted?
Hello, Pastor T Core will take the examination, class test. Okay.
Yes, sir. When will the test take place? Tomorrow, today, tomorrow?
I I shall not take any. Hello, Saurabh. হ্যালো হ্যাঁ আমার ক্লাস চলছে বুঝলে ক্লাস চলছে চারটের সময় পাঠিয়েও তাহলেই হবে এই ক্লাসটা শেষ করি হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ বলো হ্যালো
Yes, sir.
I do not take any class test for your group. Another teacher, Pastor T Core, will take the class test. Okay?
Sir, when he will take the test?
You do not.
Another teacher. You are telling when he will take the test.
Then that teacher will call you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So I am.
Sir,
ready.
I have some doubts from your previous PDF.
There is a question or problem?
Yes, sir. Question, sir. In your
Okay.
sheet, sir, example number 4, question number 10.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে first I take the class and then I shall discuss with you.
Okay, sir.
The screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, please send this PDF.
already sent.
Sir, where?
Any one of your friends. He will already circulate it. And
Circulated.
he also circulated.
Circulated in group, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now, definition of power series. This is a series for which the successive terms are in ascending positive integral powers of a particular variable x, whose form is a0 plus a1 x to the power 1 plus a2 x square plus an x to the power n. And in summation form, summation n0 to infinity an x to the power n. Clear? Where a0, ai, an are independent of x and known as constant. And this is called the power series of the variable x. Give an example. Actually, you have already studied regarding power series, the infinite GP series. If we consider the important and simplest power series, which is the geometric series, 1x, x squared dot up to infinity, and you know that the series converges for which values of x? Do you know? Anyone?
From -1 to +1.
-1 to?
+1.
Both inclusive or exclusive?
Exclusive.
For x is equal to 1, what is the value?
Divergent.
Divergence.
Divergence series. Yes, okay. Next, convergence of the power series. The power series of the form an x to the power n is said to be convergent, means it takes the finite value. For our at x is equal to x0, if given any pre-assigned positive number epsilon, which is greater than 0, positive number, however small, there exists a number small m, which depends on x, for which absolute x sx0 minus snx0 means sum of n terms, or sx means sum of all the terms. This is the difference. At the point x0, the difference is less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to m, where m is a fixed number, where S6 and Sn is denoting respect to this and this. So, in order to prove the convergency, we must apply this formula. S minus Sn less than epsilon, that is very small. Difference between two series is very small for n greater than or equal to m. Interval of convergence. The power series this converges for every, if a power series converges for every absolute x less than r and diverges for every x greater than r, then the interval minus r to r is called the interval of convergence. And r is very often called the radius of convergence. R is the radius of convergence, and the interval minus r to r is called the interval of convergence at which the series converges, otherwise divergent. Every power series is convergent for x is equal to 0. Remember that every power series is convergent for x equal to 0. A power series, this is convergent either for all values of x or for a certain range of values of x or for no value of x except at x is equal to 0. So this is the conclusion regarding the power series. No value of x but by except at x is equal to 0. Theorem 1. Determination of interval of convergence for the power series summation an x to the power n, if limit of absolute n plus 1 by n tends to infinity is equal to 1 by r, then this converges for every absolute x less than r and diverges for every absolute greater than r. Proof. Limit of the un is the nth term. Un plus 1 is the n plus 1th term. So find un. Here un is, un is equal to limit of absolute this by this absolute x is equal to absolute x by r. By D'Alembert ratio test, this converges if absolute x by r less than 1 or absolute x less than r, diverges for absolute x greater than r. And no conclusion, that is, we cannot say the nature of the series at x is equal to plus minus r. And here the interval convergence is minus r to r, since the series converges in the range absolute is greater than r, less than r. Theorem 2, another test. Summation this be a power series, then limit of n absolute n to the power 1 by n and tends to infinity equal to 1 by r, then the power series converges for absolute x less than r, diverges for in this region, and when this, the test fails. That is, when x is equal to plus minus r, the test fails. If this is 0 limit, the power series converges for all values of x, and the interval of convergence is minus infinity to infinity. As for example, E series, e to the power x is also a power series 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cubed by factorial 3. This is also a power series which is convergent for every values of x. So the interval convergence for E series is minus infinity to infinity. It is also called entire function. And if the limit is infinity, then the power series cannot converge except at x is equal to 0. Problem. Find the interval convergence of the following series, 4 series. First series is E series. An is equal to 1 by factorial n minus 1, so that an plus 1 is equal to 1 by factorial n. Now, taking the limit is equal to this. Now, we know that factorial n is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 dot dot 1. So, cancelling all the factors except at n, first term in the denominator, other terms cancelled with the numerator. So, it will be 1 by n only. You know it from higher secondary. So, taking limit you will get 0, but 0 is equal to 1 by r is equal to 1 by infinity. Hence, the given series converges for every values of x, and the interval convergence is minus infinity to infinity. So here R is like an infinity. Chart tends to infinity. The next problem 2. What is problem 2? X cubed by minus factorial 3 and so on. N is equal to this, n plus 1 is equal to this. So taking the limit of this form, ultimate cancelling minus 1 to the power n, there is a minus sign, but this is absolute sign, so minus sign is already vanished. And it will be 1 by n plus 1, n by n plus 1. So it takes limit is 1, is equal to 1 by r, so r is equal to 1. And the interval convergence is minus 1 to 1. The series converges for absolute x less than 1 or this. For x is equal to 1, we have s is equal to this, is equal to log 2, which is also a convergence series. Therefore, the interval convergence is minus 1 to 1. 1 is closed. Remember that 1 is closed, whereas minus 1 is not included. 1 is included. That is why we consider third bracket and this is first bracket. There is a difference between first bracket means not included minus 1. Third bracket means including the point minus 1, plus 1. So, the series 3, 1, 3 and next 2. So, the series 3 we see that convergence is minus 1 to 1, only 1 is included. For problem 2, here n is equal to this. Problem 2 means 135. Problem 135. This is 1, 2, 3. 135 factorial. This, so that this by this is equal to this. Ultimately, simplifying, you will get 1 by 2n into 2n plus 1. This is tends is equal to 0. Is equal to 1 by r. So nearly infinity. Hence, the series converges for all values of x, and the interval convergence as before minus infinity to infinity. Determine the interval convergence of the following power series, summation this, where n is given by this. Here, series is not given explicitly, only writing down the nth term, and which is very important in order to discuss about the convergence of the power series. Here n is equal to 1 by log n plus 1. So finding out n plus 1 by n, that is this, taking n common and cancelling n, you will get this. Now n tends to infinity. Limit log n by log n is equal to 1 by r. Limit of n tends to infinity log n by log n. Oh yes, log n by log n. This part is 1, bracketed parts. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0. Root 1, that is 1 by r. So the interval convergence minus 1 to 1 and radius of convergence r is equal to 1. For problem 2, 2 means this. Here limit is 1 and interval of this. For 3 means this problem, n to the power n. So 1 by n, this is absolute n. It is infinity, 1 by r tends to 0. That is, the series, power series never converges except at x is equal to 0. Only the series converges at x is equal to 0. Other points, series diverges. 4. Remember that you will apply this part form absolute n to the 1 by n if the nth term contains the power of n, power of some quantity. Is a power of some quantity n, power of some quantity. So in that case, you apply this form, limit of absolute n to the 1 by n, so that power n, 1 by n cancel, and finding limit of this n tends to infinity, and this is equal to 1 minus 1. You may take the L'Hospital's rule for finding out the limit, and it will be 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 by r, so that r tends to infinity, and the interval convergence minus infinity, infinity. Find the interval convergence of the following series. n is equal to this, n plus 1, finding n plus 1, dividing and simplifying, you will get this value. Taking n common, it will be 2/3. It is 1 by r, so that r is equal to 2/3. 3 by 2, r is equal to 3 by 2. R 3 by 2, integral converges minus 3 by 2 to plus 3 by 2. When x is equal to r 3 by 2, then you apply the Rabbit's test. This is the Rabbit's test, form of Rabbit's test. N into this is equal to this, which is 1 by 6 less than 1. So it diverges for x is equal to 3 by 2. So this is the last part. Now you consider stop presenting. I am now. Any student? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is your problem regarding the? I am checking in my WhatsApp for problem number. What is your problem number?
Sir, example number 4, part 10.
Example number কত?
4, sir.
For which part?
10th. Log wala, sir.
10. 10 means
Sir, example 4th, part 10th. 1 upon n log n.
দেখছি দাঁড়াও। হ্যাঁ part 10 was summation n is equal to 2 to infinity 1 by n log n.
Yes, sir.
Problem number 10. It is, I hope it is calculated.
Sir, I am not getting the solution written there.
It is written. Actually, part 10 there are 2 solutions.
Okay, sir. Then what?
I am sending again part 10 there are 2 solutions. Part 2, this is for you do not get the solution.
Yes, sir. I am not getting the solution.
You have get the material you have you will obtain.
Yes, sir. I have.
So the problem number 9, there is the problem number 9 and then 10.
Yes, sir. 10th. Sir, log, sir. What happening in the log?
For a summation n is equal to 2 to infinity. For n is equal to 2, first term 1 by 2 log 2. It is clear in my solution?
Yes, sir.
Plus second term 1 by 3 log 3, third term 1 by 4 log 4 and so on.
Okay, sir.
Second line, this is greater than. Actually, we have replaced the second term by 1 by 4 log 4. Remember that 1 by 3 log 3 is greater than 1 by 4 log 4.
Yes, sir.
So the second term, after simplifying, you will get 2 by 4 log 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And then proceeding and taking common 1 by 2 log 2, you will get 1 plus half plus 1/3. And this series is divergent. This is the P series for P is equal to 1. Right hand side series. So right hand series is divergent. So left hand side greater than that. So it definitely divergent.
Sir, I am not getting the second step.
Second step, why you do not get the second step?
Sir, actually, sir, we are replacing 3 by 4. Sir, how we get the idea to replace?
Now I am again sending, but it is clearly. As any other student verify that problem? Hello?
Sir, please share the screen of the problem. Please.
I am the ticket. I am checking also again. I am now first sending in my stop presenting তো হয়ে আছে stop presenting হয়ে আছে ঠিক আছে আমি দেখছি দাঁড়াও আমি পাঠে আমি এই করছি I am now go to the laptop and then I am sending first 10 pages. I am sending in my laptop. The screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
So you consider this part 3, 4, as this one, as this part 1 by 2 log 2 plus. Is it visible? This problem?
Yes, sir.
It's 1 by 3 log 3 plus 1 by 4 log 4. The second term 1 by 3 log 3 is greater than 1 by 4 log 4. So replacing this by this, it will be 2 by this. And left hand side greater than. Now taking common to 4 log 4 means log 4. Take 1 by 2 log 2 common. Log 4 means 2 square. So 8 into log 2. Log 4 means 2 square, so 2 into 4, 8 log 2. So taking common 2 log 2, you will get this value. Clear? The right hand?
Sir, similar type of question in part 7. Sir, every log question, something
First
different.
Resolved about this problem. So this problem is clear.
Yes, sir.
This is another method. You in this consider Vn 1 by n, taking the limit, the series divergent. For which part? Another problem? Which problem?
Sir, part 7, sir.
Part 7 means?
Sir, fourth part 7.
No, this letter or before? This part, this page? Page number which? This part? Hello? Hello, anyone response? Hello? 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 Hello?
अभिषेक भाई बोलना.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Oh, there is a network problem?
No, sir.
So any other students, any problem or discuss with me? In the next class, I shall discuss, next class, that is Monday, I shall discuss the new chapter, improper integration. So infinite series and power series is already completed.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what will be the syllabus of test?
Yes, sir. Can you please tell the syllabus of mid-semester maths exam?
No. There are so much time. Before that, I shall tell you.
Okay, sir.
No, sir, this test, that class test I am talking about.
I do not take any class test for your group. Do you hear me? Hello?
Sir, syllabus I am asking.
No, I do not. And other teacher, he will take the class test. Then he will tell you. He will tell you in while taking the class test. Any other probability question? No. So I am I shall consider the next chapter, new chapter, on next Monday. So I am leaving now.
Sir, can we ask the next
Can
day?
you? Can you?
Sir, can we ask doubt related to that chapter on next class?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, example 8 I have a doubt.
তো ক্যান্সেল করে দিলাম এক্সাম্পল 8
Infinite series PDF.
বাট আই এম তো প্রেজেন্ট ভিডিও দেখে আমি ল্যাপটপে কনসিডার করি এক্সাম্পল 8 হুইচ পার্ট
So page number 7.
1 2 পেজ নাম্বার 7 হ্যাঁ 7 প্রবলেম নাম্বার কত 8
5. Problem number 5.
প্রবলেম নাম্বার
5.
5 ওই ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল n হোল স্কয়ার বাই ফ্যাক্টোরিয়াল 2n into x to the n.
Yes, sir.
5 is clearly
In the solution for x equal to 4, we have to use Rabbit's test, or it is not written there?
In the next it will see it. Because just we apply the Rabbit's test for x equal to 4.
Okay, sir.
Yes, it is not shown, but you try to yourself. Okay, applying the Rabbit's test, you will draw a conclusion whether divergent or convergent. It is not solved. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I am leaving now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.